Alright, so today we are going to be decorating our calendar pages using my calendar kits designed for Hobonichi Weeks 2019. This is called Mint and Flowers. If you'd like to see what a calendar page would look like full of stickers like this, stay tuned until the end of the video to see how this page can turn into something else. Okay, so here we have our calendar pages of my Hobonichi Weeks. This is my Hobonichi Weeks. It is Strawberry Latte Mega Weeks, and I have shown you this in my last video. And I said that I was going to do this page in that video. I wasn't able to do that because it had been just running too long. So what I did is I pulled this kit. It's called Mint and Flowers 2019. Hobonichi Weeks calendar pages, and what you get are these bars that will go over here, and then this giant box that goes over here, and then you get these squares that go over here for both the 2018 and the 2020. And what we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and do it. Just do it, because this is going to take long. That side's going to take really long. Let me get this sticker kit. Okay, so this sticker kit is in matte, and we have three types of paper. Once again, we have photo white, we have the matte white, and glossy cream. If you are using fountain pens, make sure to get the glossy cream version because that is fountain pen friendly. However, if you're only using or prefer to use ballpoint or gel pens like Papermate, Pen Gems, then you can go ahead and get either the photo white, which is glossy white, or the matte white. There we go. Now remember that different pages, or rather different paper options, would also have different colors. So just keep that in mind, especially because a glossy cream is cream, it's not completely white. So this part is now finished. As you can see, it's already looking really different and really cool. I love it so much. This is why I made this kit for these pages. So now I'm going to put down this big box. It's very easy to put this down because you just align it to that corner. So this corner has a little box. It's a dotted line. And just put up the edge towards that and just lay it down. There you go. Okay, and now we're ready for the next page. And these are tiny boxes. So you can see there, focus. There we go. It's tiny boxes, and it's meant to fit this line right there. And it will take time. So let me go ahead and put down while I talk to you guys. So if you hear anything, that is my printer. It is printing inserts because I want to come up with more vertical personal kits as well as horizontal kits. So horizontal kits are for mini happy planner and vertical kits are for ring planners. Oops. Oh no, I was gonna miss that. So April. There you go. Someone asked me, why don't you just make it into a bar? And I'm like, oh, but actually this way it kind of has the white space look without it being actually white space. That's the kind of balance that I like for my planning, for my decorative planning. I want to find a balance between using stickers and using just pens. I know that some prefer to just use pens and are totally in love with the Tomoe River paper. The Tomoe River paper is great. It can take fountain pens and it can take, what is that called? Watercolor, which is great. But at the same time, there are things that are not to my taste, not to my liking, but otherwise it is really, really good paper. which is why I keep buying Hobonichi, because of the paper. That's how much I love it, but at the same time, it's not the most perfect paper in the world to my taste. And also, even if this is the perfect paper, the way I plan is that I plan using stickers. That's just my jam. That is what motivates me to keep coming back and plan, even though not all plans will come through. Like, not all dreams come true. So not all plans will pan out exactly how I want them to be, but that I think about future stuff is already such a big improvement in terms of planning my life, being productive. You have to be aware of the small wins, and I feel like that is part of my small wins, that I'm able to think about things like, okay, I have a general idea of what's going to happen next week. It's not just going to be, oh, surprises. Then, it's very motivating to plan, at least for me. But at the same time, I really cannot do just pens. I know I sound like, oh, ew, just pens. No, it's not like that. It's just that stickers make me happy. Happy. And if stickers make you happy, just like me, you are why I made these kits. So let us join together and plan with stickers. You can do whatever you would like. That is your book, your planner, your rules. So if you think that you want to use stickers in your Hobonichi, let's do it. Let us do it. Okay, last line. That went faster than what I thought it was going to be. Yay! Am I getting better at putting down little strip of stickers? Little square stickers? Maybe. Alright. Wow. Yay! Yay! Oh my gosh, this is prettier than what I thought it was gonna be, to be honest. Sometimes when I design stickers, I know it's gonna be pretty because all the elements of being pretty are already there. But then you put it on a page and it's amazing. Once again, this is the Mint and Flowers. The fonts for this is different. This is like the font option B. There is still a font option A. I'm going to show you what that looks like using my 2018 Hobonichi planner. Okay, so this is what the option A font looks like. Ta-da! I also have at the back of my planner, if you missed the last video, go ahead and watch that also, because that's where I showed you that at the back of my Hobonichi Mega is another Hobonichi. That's right. The note pages of my Hobonichi weeks are actually my shop planner. This is what it looks like, and this is in glossy. This is paper flowers, I believe. If not, I'm sorry. This is what it looks like, and it also has the same fonts. So I'm keeping the fonts together. Keeping the fonts the same together. What? So next video, I'm gonna do the monthlies here. So make sure to subscribe to my channel if you want to see that video, and smash that bell button so you're notified every time I post a new video. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And of course, if you would like any of the things that I showed you today, my shop is called paperjoyph.com. Ta-da! Oh no, I'm gonna put a little thing here in the middle. paperjoyph.com. That is where I post, or rather list, all of my Hobonichi related stickers, as well as, any planner related stickers go on there. Actually, that's my only shop, so I should be saying all my stuff is in paperjoyph.com. If you would like to get updated with any event, any coupon code, anything like that, then go ahead and follow us on Instagram, like us on Facebook, so we have a Facebook page, and join our Facebook group, PaperJoyPH Planning World, and all the other handles are PaperJoyPH. So can't wait to see you again. I want to make more videos. I want to film another one. Gonna film this, and then maybe I'll eat lunch because I'm starving. Bye bye.